On the green camera? The one you take pictures with?
But every
time she pushed the button to take the picture, it was like taking forever. Like it was actually recording, and she would miss the... She'd get like one sizzle and then instead of getting the picture. So I was going to adjust the settings.
Oh! That's mosquito blood! That's awesome, dude! Get some more
I tried that, but it wouldn't do anything.
That's it, dude! You're doing the right job!
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay, she's just recording it.
We'll just make a video instead.
Cool! Whoa! There it is!
Yeah.
Hey, Dad, run my eyes, you idiot! You did the wrong one! Hey! Hey, freeze!
But she just got the camera. Her cousin told it to her for next to nothing. She didn't see it.
Yeah, Mom, free! Look, free! That's free. And they both pop at the same time. Wow! I think we would let this be a home. Because it's so great to fight with. Hey!
Okay.
Hey!
Alright.
Oh, I love fireworks. Me too. I love fireworks.
No, I think it's the next model up.
It's
like that's like the 715, right?
I have no idea.
Yeah, it's like the 71 something.
It must be big, huge one comes tonight. Look.
Yeah, well, even it works, but right now it's
that's a spider. Yeah. I also do these things. That was a lot. So,
are you near Mom?
Yes! Come on, kiss me, that dude.
Oh, okay, never mind. I was
Wow, this is free.
Okay, we'll see you. Just tell her to say hi and have
Come on, kiss me, that faster. Wow.
Zach, honey, don't get too far. Stay close. You keep inching farther away.
How many? Wow. Whoa. That's a flower. That's a big one. I want that love.